My 16 Pro.
How did it get smashed like this?
Crashed while riding a bike. It fell straight off the bike.
The back cover, mid-frame, and screen all are leaking. Let's replace the screen first. The official one costs over $2,000.
Give me the cheaper one. It's the first time opening this phone. It's a bit difficult.
Because yours is broken, I'm not going to worry about it. Although it's an original used screen, it still shows as an unknown part, so we'll transfer the encryption chip from the broken screen. That way, it won't show the unknown part warning. All done.